Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create this cool looking business flyer in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. In case if you want that completely designed .psd file means, hit the like button. Soon after reaching 100 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the project file, open the flyer PSD inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file, size is A4 size. You can straight away start designing it. First we are going to create a solid color background. For that go to the background folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select white color. Now I'm going to fill the color using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Next we are going to bring in our main image. Before that we are going to create image placeholder. For that go to the image folder, create a layer, go to color picker and select any color you want. It's not going to be an issue. Now select rectangle tool. Now create a rectangle shape like so. So our image placeholder is ready. Next go to the project file, open image 1 inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure the image is placed right above the image holder layer. Right click, clip mask. Now I'm going to enable free transform tool and resize the image. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next we are going to type our flyer title. Go to text, create a layer, go to color picker and select black color. The font I'm using is a free font. I'll give link in the description, you can download it. I'm going with style bold. I'll keep the font size as 41. Now I'm going to type my title. I'll create a duplicate copy. I'll change the font size to 34. Next we're going to create a line here. For that go to design folder, create a layer, name it as line. Now go to shapes tool and select line tool. Make sure the weight is 6. By holding shift key, create a line like so. By enabling free transform tool, I'll adjust the spacings a little bit. Fine. Next I'm going to type in my text content. I already got my text content ready in a notepad file. I'm just going to copy paste it. Here I'll keep the style as regular, size as 12. Fine, now we are done with the top part. Next we are going to create a bar at the bottom. For that go to design folder, create a layer, name it as bar. Now go to color picker, select color F3D8C6. Now select rectangle tool, give a click and create a shape which reads 2630 by 260. Now I'll place it down below here. Fine. Next we are going to create border guidelines. For that go to the spacing folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select green color, select rectangle tool, give a click. Now create a rectangle shape which reads 1016 by 158. By using this rectangle shape as a reference, we're going to create border guidelines. Now enable free transform tool, give a 90-degree rotation. Now create guidelines. Fine, now our border guidelines are ready. Now we can disable the spacing folder. Next, go to the text folder, create a layer, go to color picker, select back color. Now type in your left side part text. I'm going with same font, style as bold. I'll keep the font size as 30. I'll create a duplicate copy. I'll reduce the font size. Next, we are going to create a line shape. Go to the design folder, select the previously created line layer, create a duplicate copy. I'll name this as line 2. I'll bring it down below and place it here. Make sure the spacings are even. Fine, next I'm going to copy paste my another text content. Create a layer. I'll keep the style as regular, size as 12. Fine, next we are going to create 3 bullet points. Instead of bullets, we are going to use icons. For that, create a layer. I'm using the same font. I'll change the style as bold. Size as 14. Now I'll copy paste my text content. Create a layer. I'll keep the style as regular, size as 11. For this text layer, I am going to reduce the opacity down to 60%. Next, we are going to bring in our icons. For that, go to the project file, open the icons PSD inside Photoshop, drag and drop the icons folder inside Photoshop. Make sure the icons folder is placed right above the text folder. I'll place the settings icons here. Now we are going to repeat the very same step to create another 2 more bullet points. I'll select the 2 layers, this one and this one, by holding Ctrl key in the keyboard, and I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. I'll repeat the same step, Ctrl J. Now I'm going to adjust the spacings a little bit. Now I'll edit the text. Next I'm going to move the shield icon here and then another icon down below here. Now go to design folder, create a layer, go to color picker, sample the bottom bar color. Now we are going to create a rectangle shape. For that, go to shapes tool and select rectangle tool, give a click and create a rectangle which reads 1179 by 1257. By enabling free transform tool, I'll move the bar and place it here at the top. Fine. Next I'm going to add my text content. Go to text folder, create a layer, go to color picker and select black color, select the font, the style you want. I'm going with bold here. I'll keep the font size as 18. Now type in your text. I'll create a duplicate copy. And again I'm going to create a line shape here. For that, go to the design folder, select line 2 and create a duplicate copy by keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. I'll name it as line 3. Make sure to place this one right above the rectangle layer. I'll move the line. It looks a little bit large. I'll reduce the size a little bit by enabling free transform tool. Fine. Next I'm going to add 3 more bullet points here. Go to text folder, create a layer. I'll change the font size to 14. I'll copy paste my text content. Now I'm going to select this 2 layer by holding Ctrl key in the keyboard, and I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. Move it down below. I'll repeat the same step, Ctrl J. Now I'm going to edit the text. Now I'll adjust the spacings. Fine, our flyer is almost ready. As a final step, I'm going to add my contacts text content. Create a layer. I'll go to the same black font. I'll increase the size as 13 and style as bold. Now I'm going to copy paste my address and phone number. Now I'm going to adjust the spacings. So there you go guys, our flyer is ready for the print. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care.